Okay, my screen is visible. Hello, hello. May I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, my screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
we will start the session. Today we will conduct only practical, not any theory lecture. Okay. Yes, up to we will finish the function in Python. Yes, yes, we will conduct function in Python. It's okay. We will continue with our practical session because we will lagging for practical. Okay. Yes, today's session we will having the practical and then I will give you 10 program. Okay. We will conduct two or three, five problem statement in our session and we will give you program of solving the program. Okay. Problem statement. Yes, we in the group. Already Sakshi will be create our group. Okay. Python programming and then I will share you the program statement. Okay, problem statement. And then you solve the problem statement first and then take make it the PDF format and send to Python programming, our group. Okay, your homework. Okay, yes, understood everybody? Yes, all of you. Vedangi, you have any problem? Yes,
No, ma'am.
Sakshi, and it's a 10 problem statement is in today's session we will conduct practical only this much basis of program statement in your program. Okay, 10 program. We will not conduct any out of the session or out of the syllabus. Okay, yes. Okay, we will start our practical. Yes, we will start our practical. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, all of you know about list, how to create list. Yes, yes, all of you know about list. My screen is visible to everyone.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, how to create list and how to sort. Yes, anybody knows about it? Our first program statement is find out the second largest number in a list. Yes, find out, find the second largest number in a list. Okay, everybody knows about the theory part, how to create list. But we will not conduct any sort function, append function. Yes, okay. We will conduct in today's session practical. Okay, our first program is find the second largest number in a list. How to create? First, we will create the list. Yes, first we will create a list. Okay, write the comment. We will understand what is the program. Okay, create a list. Okay, yes, yes or no? Yes or no? Please, guys, reply.
Yes.
Rohit, Rohit Sakshi. Yes, first we will create the list. Tell me number 14, 5, 7, 9, 45, 73, 68. Yes. Suppose I will found the indexing start from 14. Yes. Yes. Indexing start from 1. Okay. 1 to Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 indexing 14. Okay. Suppose we will find out list 1 indexing 1. Okay. Print it first. Check it how what is the output. File first, save as. Save file name Sakshi TYD. Okay, all of you see clearly. Okay, yes, save it, run it. What is our output? 0, 1. 1 indexing. Yes, 5 element. Suppose write it print list 0. Okay, yes. Then what happen here? 5 and 14. Suppose I want to search descending order 68. Yes, anybody tell me what is the indexing start from ending of the list? I want to find the indexing, search the value of 68. Yes, then what we will do?
-1.
Yes, Vedangi, very good. Okay, print list list 1 minus 1. Okay, all of you understood our the practical purpose? Yes, problem statement. All of you understood? Find the second largest number in a list. But we will first sort it. Yes, it is the list, normal list. We will sort it. Yes, right now? No. Yes, Vedangi, we will not sort. Yes? Yes, everybody. Tell me. Yes? Yes, we will not sort the list. We will find it only the position, indexing position, find it, and ending of the list. Okay, ending of the value of the list. Okay, yes, all of you know about how to find, how to analyze the element, how to print the indexing element. Yes, all of you know. Hello. Hello. Yes. In the list, we will write it here only normal list. We will not sort it. Yes. First, we will sort the list. List 1 dot sort. Okay. Yes. Sort it. Then print the list list 1 list 1. Okay. Run it. Okay, all of you see here. List are sorted order. Okay, 5, 7, 9, 14, 45, 68, and 73. All of you know we will sort the list. Yes, but what is our problem statement? Find the second largest number in a list. Yes, yes, all of you know about it. Find the second largest number in the list. Okay, then we will write print list, and Vedangi, what will we write the indexing size?
-2.
Minus 2. Yes, because we will find it the second largest number in a list. Okay, 68. Yes, all of you understood what is our problem statement and what is the logic of solve the list? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. We will move for next point. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. All of you know, all of you familiar with swapping the two number? Yes. All of you know? Yes, Akshita? A73. Yes. Without sorting, we can find the second largest number. Yes, you find it. We will go for the first. We will find the ascending order and then we will find the second largest element. Yes, Gorakhnath. Sorry, A73. I am telling in Marathi. In the first print the list 1. We will write down the values. Okay, all of you. -1, -2, -3. Yes. मी पहिल्यांदा तुम्हाला आधी सांगितलेलं की आपण अशा प्रकारे पण इंडेक्सिंग व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करू शकतो. ओके, नॉर्मल वी विल नॉट राईट इट हिअर hash. Okay, then all of you see here how to find it. 73, it is the largest number. Okay, but why it is 73? Because we will find it list 1 is equal to 14, 5, 7, 9, 45, 73, 68. We will not ascending order. Okay, we will not write it proper way. That's why we will take it only 73. It is our indexing value. Start from -1, -2 and -3. -1 indexing value is 68. -2 indexing value 73. Yes, 73. Yes, understood? Yes, yes, 73. Yes, 73 is here. Why you not talk? Yes, आपण सॉर्ट केलेत का इन लिस्ट? नाही, म्हणून आपल्याला -2 लिहिल्यानंतर 73 व्हॅल्यू प्रिंट होते. ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड? सपोज वी विल राइट इट -1. ओके, then what will be output over here 68. Okay, no any problem, we will not sort it, no any issue, but it is required to sort any list because we will find the second largest number in the largest number in a list. Our problem statement like this. Okay, first sort it and then list will be find out. Okay, yes, our next statement. Yes, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next point is swapping two number. All of you know about the logic. Okay. A is equal to B. B is equal to C. It is take its one temporary value. Yes. All of you know about the swapping two number. In C also you do it swapping two number. Take one temporary variable. Print it A value in the temporary variable. Allocate and B is equal to A. Yes, all of you know about the swapping the two number. Okay, it is required to once again we will we will explain the logic of swapping number. Yes. Write down the logic of the swapping two number. Directly go for program. Yes, Vedangi.
Ma'am, take program directly.
Okay, all of you know about the swapping the logic. Okay, swapping two number logic. Okay, take it as swapping of the two number. Okay, first we will take static input. Okay, okay, yes, we will take the static input. Take a user input. What will you want to check? User input. Okay, a is equal to int. We will convert string into number. Integer input, enter a number. Okay, then b is equal to int input, enter a number. Okay, and then take one temporary variable is equal to a, then b is equal to a is equal to b, means b value swap into a, and then b is equal to 10, means whatever your logic. Okay, next print it the values of a is, and next print the values of b is a. Okay, then save it, run it the program. Our the first value 5, and then second value is 10, then swapping the two number. Okay, yes, here is it wrong, d. Okay, run it, 5 and 10. Okay, then what is our output? A's value is 10 and B's value is 5. Okay, all of you understood our first step? Yes, swapping the two number.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is simple to understood. Okay, there have no any if else condition. Okay, yes, all of you know about Fibonacci series.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, how to find the Fibonacci series? What is the logic of Fibonacci series?
We have to add the next number in previous number.
Yes, absolutely right. Vedangi. Sakshi? Sakshi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you tell me what is the Fibonacci series? Yes, all of you know about the adding the previous number and the our first number, means our previous number take two number, first 0 and next one first, second 1. Okay, add these two number, 0 plus 1 1. Okay. Next previous number 1 and next number is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, like this. We will write it first logic. Logic of the Fibonacci series. Hash. Write it first. Next. Next is equal to or first plus second. Okay. Write it here first 0. Okay. And then plus. Okay. 1 is equal to 0 plus 1 is equal to value is 1. Okay. Means 0, comma 1, comma 1, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 3, 5, like this. Your series like this. 0 plus comma 1, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 5. Yes? All of you see this screen? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And then what will we write here? First is equal to second. Same logic apply in our tracking the two number. Okay. Then second is equal to next. Okay. Yes. It is our first logic of the Fibonacci series. Okay. You take also multiple line comment, no any problem. You apply the multi-line comments in the Python. Yes. Yes. First, we will write it here 0. Then second is equal to 1. Then print simple 2 number first and print second. Okay. Yes. First save this file. Save as script.py. Save this file. Run it. What happened here? Okay. Unexpected index. Yes. 0 and 1. All of you understood. What is the important in index? Yes. Okay. All of you understood. Why it is so much important in indexation error. Okay. Yes. All of you understood.
Yes, ma'am.
But you solve the error. Okay. Because white spacing, it is so much important point in our Python programming. Okay. Okay. Yes. We will having the so much less so much less coding, but so much important point in here, indexation. Okay. We will write the program into straightforward. Okay. Yes. Everybody understood?
Yes,
Yes. Yes. Okay. Write it for I in range. I will use I will use for function. Okay. 0 and 1 allocated. Yes. Then we will write it here 2 from 2 into 10. Okay. And then what will be happen? We will not take the indexation mark colon, write it straightforward. Okay. Then write it colon. Next, our the first, write it here first logic. Next is equal to first plus second. Okay. And then first is equal to second. Okay. And then second is equal to next. Okay. And then print our next value. Okay. Next one. Print it. Okay. At 10 value should be print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Yes. 1 to 10. Okay. All of you understood? Fibonacci series 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 5, 8. 5 plus 8, 30. 8 plus 13, 21. Okay. Yes. Understood everybody? Yes. Anybody having doubt? Yes. Yes. Why today? Why you are so much silent? Why?
yes, yes.
Yes. Vedant, I mean all of you understood what is the Fibonacci series? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes.
Okay. Next. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. All of you. We will go for next program. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah,
All of you know about reversal string. Our second program is our reversal string. Okay. Reversal of a string. Okay. Anybody tell what is the logic of the reversal string? All of you know about the list having the sort function, also having the list for nest function. What will be having the list? Tell me, because having the forgotten the nest program, we will having the sorting function that will next program reversal function. Okay. Reversal of the string. Okay. Or the next function, what will sort function will take it first, and then we will take the split function. Okay. We will use it split function in this program. Okay. Yes. Tell me logic of the reversal string. Yes. What is the logic of reversal string? Okay, we will take it. Our team write it here, reversal string. Reversal of a string. Okay, write it string here. Welcome to third year CSE department. Okay, and then we will print it first. Okay, print string. See here, file, save as reverse str.py, save as welcome to third year CSE. Tell me list having how many functions, and then we will move forward the next point. Okay. Yes. Yes. All of you. Suppose we will take A for the reference. A is equal to string dot split function. Okay. And next we'll write it here A string. First string, and then we will write it here print A. Okay. Then what will be our output? Welcome to third year CSC department. Okay. Yes. And all of you know about the how to split the string. Okay, using colon. Okay, separated. Yes. All of you know about it. Then A is equal to A colon -1 colon place -1. Okay, colon, use it splitting the value. Okay, means print A. Okay, next run it. Department CSE year third to welcome. Then what will be -1 to -1? Then go for indexing, start from department CSE year third to welcome. Okay, like this. Okay. Yes, indexing start from -1. If you write it here 1 and then 1 -1. Okay, and then run it. What happened here? Welcome to third year CSC department and to welcome. Okay. Yes. Then 1, write it here 1. What happened? String, write it, print it here into reverse order. Okay. Yes. Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. आन्सर दिलं बाबा एकाने. Okay. Next one. But I don't want to colon paste here separated here. I want full string. Then what happen here? What will be our logic? Yes. I want only whole string. I don't want to colon string in separated comma. Okay. Then what will we do?
Dot join method.
Yes, very good. Who is tell me the answer right now?
Rohit.
Yes, very good. Rohit, very good. Keep it up. Okay. All of you know about this method in your internship, and don't does not having any internship. Clear the idea of here. Okay. In practical session. Okay. String. Write it here. Separated by comma. Dot. What is our string? Welcome to third year. We will not write it here. We will write it only course. Okay. Next, join A. Means which string? Here is welcome to third year CSC. Okay. And then print the final STR. Okay. Save this program. Then what is our output? Department CS year third to welcome. Okay. All of you understood? See here. See this logic. They're having the train program. You are also having the same program in your program statement. Okay. But some of the some want some little bit changes in your problem statement. I will do it. Okay. Yes. All of you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Yes. All of you know about the largest number in our next program having the largest the three number. Okay. Our the third program. What is our fifth program? Okay. Having the fifth program largest among the three number. Okay. All of you know about it. We are having the if else statement in here. Okay. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Save as largest number dot five. Okay. Save this file. Hash find three numbers. Okay. Okay. And next we will write it here in A. We will take here static input first and then we will write it 90. Number 2 is equal to 12. Number 3 is equal to 8. Okay. Then we will take it if statement here. Num1 greater than is equal to num3 AND operator. What will do AND operator? AND operator logic. If both conditions are true, then it's only print. Okay. Then greater than is equal to num3. Num2. Okay. Check two condition and then indexation. Okay. Then return then largest is equal to num1. Okay. Then else if num2 greater than is equal to num1 and num2 greater than is equal to num3. Okay. And then print it here largest is equal to num2. Okay. And then else we write it here largest is equal to num3 then print the largest number is colon comma largest number. Okay. Yes. Check it here. We'll run it. Why it is not print? Okay. Check it right now. What is our largest number here? 90. Okay. Yes. All of you understood? If num greater than is equal to num2 and num greater than is equal to num3, print the largest is equal to num1. Also, num2 greater than num1 is equal to print it number 2. Otherwise, print num3. Okay. Yes, all of you know about the logic of this number. Okay. Yes. Yes or no? All of you know about the logic of the same. Yes. Your task is right now take it user input from the largest 3 number. Okay. Do it this program. Yes. Yes, Vedangi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, do it this program. Yes, Amruta. Amruta is writing here list name dot reverse. Okay. No any problem. Your logic implement it. I will give you the 10 program in the today's session is over. Okay. Then whatever your logic, implement it within the 1 week. I will give you 1 week. Okay. And whole program, 10 program, you solve your logic and give me the output also and program file also. Okay. It's compulsory to you solve the 10 program. Okay. Yes, Amruta. Understood? Whatever your logic, implement in your program statement. Okay. I will collect it into previous a very important point is here. Whenever whatever your logic, implement it, share with Python programming WhatsApp group. I will definitely see your logic. Okay? Yes. Very good thing. You share your logic with me. Okay? Take it 10 minutes. Take it user input from the three largest among three number. Okay? I have only do the static number. You do it user input and tell me the logic. Okay? Logic also important. Okay? Yes, Rohit. Rahul is here. But you know that in the interviewer or any interviewer ask to you, don't use split function, don't use any join function and do it the program. Okay, that's also like the reverse function, but use it, no any problem. Your logic, it's also helpful for you. Do it in another method. Use it another method to solve the one problem. Okay, that's why we will solve it any many way. Okay, into many way. Okay, yes, understood. Yes, everybody. I am only speaking. I'm I have not get any response from your side. Why? Your side response is also important. Vedangi, over.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Wait for a minute. We will have a minute. Okay. We will right now multiple participation sharing. You check it. Share your screen Vedangi right now. Right now you share your screen.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sharing.
Yes. Okay.
Can you see?
No. No. What happened here? Don't know. Wait for a minute. I will make you host now. Co-host now. Right now you share your screen. Vedangi.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sharing.
Okay. Yes, yes. I will see your screen. $54 is the largest number. Okay. Okay. Uh, Rahul. 57. Which number is 57? Rohit. Rahul. Rahul.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is your name? Rahul. Rahul Gapat.
Rahul Gapat.
Yes. I will make you co-host now. Share your screen. Rahul.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Share your screen.
Is it visible, ma'am?
Yes. Yes. It is visible. Yes. Run it. Yes. Write down. What happened here? Third number. Yes. 70 is printed. Okay. Okay. Once again, you do it. Program. Second largest number. Okay. Very good. Very good, Rahul. 1 minute.
Can I stop?
Yes, yes. You stop your sharing. Yes. Everybody, it's here. Okay. Everybody do it the program. B division. Anybody want to share your screen? Yes. Yes, student. Reply. Reply the answer, please. If you want to share
ma'am.
your screen, B division.
Sakshi.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Sakshi.
Sakshi. Sakshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Srinivas. Shivsaran. Yes, I make you co-host now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. You able to share your screen?
No, ma'am.
No.
Co-host.
Okay. Yes. Okay. I will make you co-host now. Now share your screen, Sakshi.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, visible?
Yes, yes. It is visible.
Ma'am, this is the program.
Yes.
Can I run?
Yes, yes. Run it.
Ma'am, this is the output.
Yes, yes, yes. Very good. All of you. Okay. Okay. Yes. Uh, shall I take one pause here to 10 minutes break? If you want to break, tell me. Yes. We will continue further or we will wait for 10 minutes break for freshen up. Tell me right now. Yes. Yes. Yes, student.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Shall we pause for 10 minutes here or continue the lecture?
Yes, ma'am. Pause.
Pause. Why? Okay. Wait for 10 minutes. Take it 10 minutes and freshen up and come within the 120. Oh, also 2 minutes break. Up to 120. Okay. Up to 1:30. Come to our class. Okay. We will pause for 10 minutes here. Okay. Yes. Hello. Hello, student. Okay, student. We will start the next point.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We will wait for 5 minutes for another student joining because its strength are very less. 84. That's why we will wait for 5 minutes for another student join. Okay. Otherwise, we will start the next point. Please don't remove the in between 5 minutes break or 10 minutes break because for your helpful. That's why we will give you the break of 5 minutes. Okay, 5 to 10 minutes. Don't leave the session in between. Otherwise, I will mark absent. Okay, don't leave like this. Okay, our the next point or more our next program leap year. Yes. Anybody tell me in Marathi? It is okay. What is the leap year? Yes, leap year. Yes, we will next program leap year. Okay. Uh, leap year. What is the leap year? Tell me how to find which year is the leap year. Okay. Hash the leap year. Okay. What is the logic of leap year? Yes. Suppose 1996. Okay, divide by 4. Then what happened here? This is the leap year.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Suppose we'll write it here 1996 divided by 400. Okay, and means 96 divided by 100. Suppose it is not leap year, execute 1996 divided by 100. Okay, is it not leap year? Okay, then two conditions true. Yes, yes. Yes. Then suppose you take it 2021. Okay, 21 and means 2021. What is 2021? Is it leap year or not leap year? Tell me.
Not leap year.
Okay. Okay, understood. This much logic we will apply in our program. Okay. Here you take it user input, no any problem. For my side, 2021. Okay. If year modulo, we will take it commands divide by because we will take mathematical way. Okay, modulo and programmatically way we will take modulo operator. Okay, for okay is equal to 0 colon and then if year modulo 400 is equal to 0 colon if we'll write it first condition year modulo 100. Okay, and then is equal to 0. Then write it here. Print year comma is a leap year. First condition, what is year divided by mod 100? Yes, is a not leap year. Okay, first condition true. Okay, and then else print. See here, very much important thing is here indentation. Okay, and our second condition, what is our second condition? If year modulo 400, what we will write it here is a leap year. Okay, and then no, our first condition is right here is a leap year. It's not leap year. What is our second condition? Our second last condition. Okay, next one. Write it here. else print. Indexation is very important. Year, comma, is a leap year. Okay, and then our last condition, print year, comma, is a not leap year right now. Okay, and run this file. Go here, file save as. Leap dot file. Save this file. Run it. What happened here? Syntactical error. Okay, what is error? Yes, run it. 2021 is not leap year. Okay, here write it comment. We will write it here. User input year is equal to input enter the year. Okay, and run it. 1996. Okay, it is leap year. Okay, 2020. Okay, is a leap year. Okay, next 2023 is not leap year. Okay, all of you understood what is the logic of the leap year? Yes, 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 student.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next program. I'm a strong number. I'm strong number. Okay, do it the mathematical logic of Armstrong number. Okay, we will move for program. All of you solve the mathematical logic of Armstrong number. I will explain what is the your what do you write. Don't write code. Don't write code. I will only ask to do mathematical logic. How it is Armstrong number. Only mathematical logic of Armstrong number. Okay, only we will write it here comment 2021 like this. You write the mathematical what is the Armstrong number. I will ask only this much question. Okay, don't write code. Okay, yes, yes, everybody understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Unnati said write it 1990. Leap year. Okay, yes, all of you do it the Armstrong number mathematical logic. Okay, do it mathematical logic of Armstrong number and tell what is the Armstrong number logic.
हो मॅडम ते नाव लिहा नाव लिहिलेलं आहे ते करा आणि परमिशन
Over. Yes. Over this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I will check it here. Okay. We will check it first. No problem. Okay. Vedangi, share your screenshot. Okay. Yes. Yes. All of you see this screenshot. Okay. 5, 3, 5 into 3, 3 into 3. It is Armstrong. Yes or no? Okay. Yes. Vedangi, mute your, close your screenshot. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Save as first Armstrong. Okay. Save this file. Okay. Next one. All of you see the Vedangi's screenshot. Okay. Yes, first, what we'll do here, or the first logic is there, digit is equal to 10. Okay, next one, modulo and divide by. Okay, and next our logic, sum. Assignment operator is equal to digit power. Okay, power of 3 means how many you want to digit. Okay, means 4. If you are having 4-digit limit, okay, 153, one separate, take it power 3. Okay, like this. Okay, next one, temp, we will store our value temp. Okay, next one, temp. Okay, like this. Okay, same logic. Okay, only 3 statement we will continue our program in right now. Okay, first we will write it here, comment and strong number. Okay, next num is equal to int input, enter number, initialize, sum is equal to 0. Our first we will write it 0 means how many, if you want to write it sum 0, 1, 2, 3, whenever you write it, okay. Next hash, the find key cube of each digit. Okay, each digit we will find the cube root, cube. Okay, and then temp is equal to num, and then we will take while loop temp greater than 0, then colon, digit, all of you write it still same logic here, temp modulo 10, then sum plus is equal to digit, separate digit, and then we will sum of those digit cube. We will find the cube first, digit power 3, then we will add addition of the 3 variable, 3 integer, and take it sum of the 3 digit. Okay, and then temp is equal to 10, then run 5, 3, 1 and 5, 3. Not print. Why it is not print? We will not print it right now anything. We will write it only simple logic. Okay, then if num is equal to sum, then colon, print Armstrong number. Okay, print it. Write it here 153. Write it like this. Somehow the interpretation is important. Okay. Is an Armstrong number. Okay. All of you see this screen? Yes. Yes, student. Anybody having doubt in this? Write down your presentee into chat box. We will collect in your presentee into chat box. Yes, may I audible? May I audible? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sorry for 2 or 10 minutes late. We will. Okay. Somehow not well today. That's why. Okay. All of you understood the 5 or 4 up to 6 or how many program we will conduct today? 7 program. All of you understood? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I have today we will give you the 10 program. Okay. In the all of you know about it. This 10 program, it is so much important in your logical belief logic. Okay. To so all of you do it seriously. All programs for your betterment. Okay. All of you write down your chat, your roll number, name into chat box. Yes. Unnati, write it here 4 into. Okay. Yes. Absolutely right. Okay. Yes. Unnati, write it here. Okay. No any problem. Okay. Up to this 7 program, you are having any one problem? Anyone having the problem of 7 program? Yes. Write down your presently up to 215. Okay. Yes. Yes. Only function call by reference and call by value. Practical is remaining. Okay. We will not conduct today because somehow okay. Up to this program, all of you understood what is the if else while basic program. All of you understood? Yes. Yes.
Yes,
Student.
ma'am.
Yes. Up to this today's session, we will conduct only basic program of the Python. Okay. The reverse string. Okay. In Python, I'm tell you the what is the your task of 1 week. Okay. 1 week, all of you complete this task up to Saturday. Okay. We will go for our programming statement. I will send for your WhatsApp group. Okay. First, what is our first program? Vedanti. All of you see this screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See this screen very clearly. Only 10 program you do it for your own. Yes. First, we will see right now reverse string. Yes, you do it the program reverse a number. Okay. All of you know about addition operator. Addition, subtraction, multiplication. Yes. But you don't use without using the addition operator, you do it sum of the number. Okay. And next, right, we will see the swapping the two number. But without using third variable, you having the program of it. Okay. Next, perfect or not. It's only natural number. Okay. Yes. Vedanti. Vedangi.
Yes.
Understood? Yes. Number you convert binary or not. Means 2, 0, 0, 1, 1. Yes, it is a binary number. Okay. If suppose you write it 2, 3, then what will we write it for your program output? It is not primary number. Okay. And all of you know about prime number. We will do it program even odd number 1 to 100 digit. Okay, even odd number. You find it the array 1 to 100 number store, but which digit missing? Okay. Yes. Anyone having problem of 10 statement, problem statement? Yes. Yes, student.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Up to Saturday, I want all students to send the program. They take it one PDF format. Only I will want only your program and screenshot. Take it screenshot of program, take it screenshot of your output, write it proper way. You do it PDF to 10 program and do it up to Saturday. Okay. I will give you enough day for solve 10 program. Yes. Anyone having doubt? Yes, see here. Whole assignment you do it. Whole assignment you do it because this assignment consider for your marks. Okay? Yes. You do all assignment. We will discuss in session. Okay? In this basis of your assignment and basis or your performance, we will give you marks. Okay? Yes. Anyone having doubt, Sakshi?
No, ma'am. No any doubt.
Rohit, Rahul, all student. How many students strength of A division? Vedangi, 80 or 80? 160
80, ma'am.
PDF, 80. Yes. A division 80 and B division 80. It is compulsory for all students because this program for your own betterment, for your future. Okay? Because I will collect it between the binary digit. Binary digit for your helpful for because teachers also having the ask the same question in once and once how many times they ask don't know, but I will check previous question in right now decimal to binary output of this much only small digit number b or h is capital output yes don't know hexadecimal. Okay, what? Okay, much you do it the practice of HackerRank and Python programming because Infosys right now having whole test, one test. Okay, listen carefully. I am telling right now situation. Okay, listen clearly. First round is coding Infosys. And how many hidden test case? Tell me how many hidden test case? 16 hidden test case Vedangi. Okay, do it practice daily basis. How much you want to do it daily basis? You practice HackerRank because they're having the very much later platform of HackerRank. You able to solve the hidden test cases also. Okay, and मी घाबरवत नाहीये तुम्हाला, मी फक्त तुम्हाला सांगते. That's why I'm telling you practice very well. Okay. Yes, all of you write down your present key into chat box. Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. But I will tell how many, I will collect the number, how many students not submit the answer key. I will tell your roll number. I will not allow any session in the next on 4th. Okay. Those student does not submit me this assignment up to Saturday. 5 p.m. I will not allow those students hence or forth. Okay. 80 or 80. I will collect only 160 count in the Python programming WhatsApp group. I will check every program one by one. Okay. Yes. Understood everybody? Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Everybody must be do the program. Okay. Yes. Anybody do this session? Anyone having any doubt?
No,
Yes.
ma'am.
No any doubt?
Ma'am, in Armstrong program, we have taken only for 3 digit. But if the user gives 2 digit or 4 digit number, then
Okay, I will check it first. Okay, no any problem. Take it user input. Whatever you want to do it. But our Armstrong number 5. Then what happened if it is not? Okay, I will check it first. 90. Okay, you do it 92 digit also. No any problem. But it require yes, you do it one digit, not one digit, only 2 up to 3. Okay, no any problem. Yes, Vedangi. Vedangi is
yes,
here.
ma'am.
Yes, no any problem. Write down your 2 digit up to 3 or 4 digit. No any problem.
But ma'am, we will have to change that power of digit.
Yes, 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 yes. Absolutely right. 2. If you do it 2, write it here 2 digit and check it, save it first and run it. Okay, same uh, write it same problem 2 or 3 digit up to 4. If you write it 4 digit, check it 4, write it here 4. 5 digit, write it here 5. Okay, 7 or 5. Okay, yes, understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, write it Vedangi. I also know it, but I somehow forgot it. The somehow the not well today. That's why. Okay. You are having good day, good session, and so forth. Okay. Yes. All of you write down your present into chat box. Yes. Then we will stop here. Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Thank you very much.